Class Prep, Subject English, Lecture 3. Hello everyone. Dear children, today we are going to do missing letters with A. So how you have to do this work on your copies? Let's start. First, you have to write date, then come to this side and write day. Then come to the new line and start from the margin line, write missing, then give one finger space, letters, again give one finger space with one finger space, A and a full stop. Now come to the new line and start from the margin line. Write B, then underline the line. Which line you have to underline? The fourth line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the last line. You have to underline with the color. Here I have taken blue color. You can take any other color. Then write G. B dash G. Then give two finger space. These are your two fingers. You can put them and give two finger space and write K dash T. Then give two finger space. B dash T. Then come to the new line and start from the margin line. J dash two finger space dash T. Again give two finger space. K dash P. From the margin line you have to start. F dash T. Then give two finger space. B dash D. Then again give two finger space. Dash T. Now you have to fill these blanks. Which letter is missing in these letters? Letter A. We have to write A here. Which is missing? A. So let's write B. First make clever cat. Go up, come down and a small tail. Okay. Now the next K. A. T. Cat. Okay. J. A. M. Jam. Now write A. First make clever cat. Go up, come down and a small tail. Okay. Now let's read the words. B a bag bag, k a cat cat, b a bat bat, j a jam jam, h a hat hat, k a cap cap, f a fat fat, b a bad bad, a mat mat. Now you have to do this work in your English copies, in your classwork copies, okay? And you have to do very neat work, children. First you have to write B. From the margin line you have to start, then underline, then write G, then give two finger space, then write next word, and then again give two finger space and write the next word, okay? Now you have to do this work on your English copies, and then after finishing this work you have to do your homework. And what is your homework? Come down. You can start your homework below this work. No need to leave any line after this work, okay? Write date, HW and day. Then from the new line, start from the margin line and write missing, one finger space, letters, one finger space, with one finger space, A and a full stop. Missing letters with A. Now from the margin line you have to write P, then underline the line. Which line you have to underline? The fourth line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then write n. Then give 2 finger space, write t dash p. Again give 2 finger space, l dash p, r dash t, 2 finger space, n dash n, 2 finger space, k dash n. Okay, now you have to do your homework, and please children do very neat work. Okay.